light and darkness, day and night, action and stillness. Everything in the universe exists within this eternal dance of duality. In Taoist philosophy, we call these opposing, yet complementary forces Yin and Yang. They are not enemies but partners in a dance, together creating the harmony of the world as we know it. The core concept of Yin and Yang is that Yin represents the passive, tranquil, and nurturing energy, like the moon, the night, and the earth. Yang, on the other hand, represents the active, vibrant, and creative energy, like the sun, the day, and the sky. Within Yin, there is a seed of Yang, and within Yang, a seed of Yin, like a shadow on a bright day, or the stars in the night sky. True harmony is not about eliminating opposition, but about finding the perfect point of balance within dynamic change. In your home, the balance of Yin and Yang is crucial. It directly affects how a space makes you feel. A bedroom should be predominantly Yin, tranquil, dark and soft atmosphere with dim lighting. Avoid bright lights and vibrant colors causing excess Yang energy. A living room needs more Yang energy, bright light, vibrant colors, and open space to stimulate creativity and social vitality. The balance of Yin and Yang is more than just a home decor technique. It is a profound philosophy for life. Learn to see the shadow in the light and hear the echo in the silence, and you will hold the key to inner harmony. May you walk in harmony with the Tao. In our next episode, the Tao of decluttering.